Hey guys, I have another Louis Vuitton Cherry Blossom unboxing. This one is going to be quick and messy because I am traveling for spring break and I want to hurry up and get these bags treated with vachetta so they can dry properly. It's supposed to rain and I really want to bring these pieces with me on my spring break trip. So I'll start first with the luggage from the last video. If you haven't already checked that out, this is my third video for the Cherry Blossom, but I was able to get this beautiful Horizon 55 in the Cherry Blossom, and it has the vachetta here, and I'm hoping to use this as my luggage for this trip. I'm leaving tomorrow, so I want to go ahead and treat the corners, the handle at the top, and then the side handle with vachetta so that it will protect it from water stains and rain because it's supposed to be raining. So let me get this all in frame, but this is a beautiful piece of luggage and I plan to do a full review once I've thoroughly tested it out and used it on my next trip. But let's start with this box right here. So this just came obviously with the blue LV ribbon, just the regular tag. It's also the first time I received this type of box where it's not just a magnet opening over here. You have to like push this down, or I don't know if you push it down, but it kind of sticks out a little bit through this little hole. So I thought that was kind of cool. But here it is. No tissue paper. Okay, so I got the Speedy 25 from the Cherry Blossom, and I'm so excited because I feel like I'm bringing it back to my original roots. The Speedy 25, the classic monogram, was my very first Louis Vuitton bag I ever got. I worked all through high school. I, saved up and I bought the Speedy 25 and I still have it. It's a vintage piece at this point. And it's the original 25, so it doesn't have the bandolier. So I'm so excited to add this piece because I also like that the Speedy from this Cherry Blossom collection comes with a little Speedy, or it comes with a little Cherry Blossom bag charm. The lighting makes it look a little scary, I think, but it's actually very cute. It says LV Paris on the back in the hot pink. And then you have the same little faces all the way around. And again, if you're not familiar with the Speedy 25, this is just one piece of canvas all the way around, so it goes all the way in the bottom, and then on the other side the LV monogram is upside down, although the Cherry Blossoms are right side up. The canvas on this bag is also a lot softer. It feels like, not like it's bad quality, but it just feels like softer and more supple than the original canvas, I think. But let's go ahead and open it up. So you have the two locking zippers at the top here for the lock and key, because on the original Speedy there is a leather tab on the zipper pull to lock it on the one side. But this is a double zipper, and inside you have the beautiful Sakura pink interior. You have the LV Murakami stamp with all the icons there, and then one little slip pocket right there. And then this comes with a longer bandolier strap. The strap is not adjustable. It is just the one strap, but I've already tried it out and it's actually the perfect size for me, although I can see how it could be a little short if you are taller. I'm very short. I'm only 5 feet tall, so it's a perfect shoulder bag and a crossbody for me. So I'll go ahead and put this on. Okay, and there it is. If you're curious, here is the style number and QR code. But I'm so excited. I'm so excited to finally own a Speedy bandolier version, because I do still have my original classic Speedy 25, and then I also have the Speedy 35, but they are both the classic versions. They don't have the shoulder strap, so I like that this finally has a little shoulder strap that I can wear. And I'll do like mod shots later, and I'll show you how I style it and everything. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram at A Heated Mess, and also my TikTok, because that's where I'll post it. I'm not going to do a try on right now because I'm not camera ready, because I'm packing frantically for my trip. But oh my god, it's so nice and soft. In here you have the pink interior and then the little dust bag. Sometimes they come with the dust bag, sometimes it just comes with the box for the lock and key. So here is my lock and key. I'll go ahead and put this on later, but I'll put this here for now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This smells so good. Oh my gosh. It's like intoxicating. New car scent, with the leather handles and everything. So that's the interior. I do have an organizer. The Speedy 25 was the second Cherry Blossom order I was able to place. And as soon as I saw that the order went through, I ordered a bag organizer from the brand Bag & Sense. This is where I have a lot of my bag organizer inserts from. They specially made this insert to fit this Speedy 25 in the Cherry Blossom collection because I guess it's a different shape than the others. I'm not quite sure, but it's a little different. So they redesigned it a little bit, and I got the 1.2 millimeter thickness, and I think this is either the color soft pink or blush. But for smaller bags, I usually like to do the 1.2 millimeter. I don't like it to be too thick, but this can fit right in here. That's what it looks like with the bag insert. It fits perfectly, and I like that it has additional slip pockets on both sides, because again, the Speedy just has the one slip pocket, so this is a perfect fit. I always recommend using a bag organizer, not just to, organize the inside of a big empty like black hole of a bag, but it's a way to protect the interior lining so it doesn't get dirty or stains. And for some bags, it's a good way to maintain and keep the structure because again, like this is pretty soft. So probably I probably could have gone with the 2 millimeter thickness, a little thicker, but I think it's pretty good size, not too thick. And the color is almost a perfect match. It's a little bit darker, but I love the interior, and I just love the little Speedy. So I'm unboxing this because I have to go ahead and treat all the handles, the vachetta, the piping, the vachetta, leather, the chapes, and then the handle shoulder strap so that it doesn't stain, because I want to go ahead and start using this right away. But that is the Speedy. In the Cherry Blossom collection, this retails for $2,770. If you were to purchase this in the regular monogram 25, the bandolier style retails for $1,820. And then you're probably wondering what is in this huge box. And obviously, if I already have the Horizon 55, you can probably guess what else is in this huge box, because there really isn't anything else, unless I got a hard-sided trunk, which I think comes in a different type of packaging. But it is another very large piece. This one came with the Murakami ribbon. You have the panda charm. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Panda charm, very cute, with a multicolor in the back. This has a little handle at the top, and then this top part flips over to reveal inside. So if you can guess, I got the Cherry Blossom Keep All 45, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this because this is my first Keep All 45. In the past, I've owned the, I think, 55, and at one point I owned the 60, which was gigantic. That one I only used on road trips. I got that again when I was a LV employee, so we had 70% off of certain items. But look how stinking cute. So this comes with the huge Cherry Blossom bag charm. For comparison, this is the Speedy and the Speedy's bag charm, and then the Keep All, and that is, so it's a little bigger. Get the clochette for the lock and keys. You have the luggage tag. I feel like this would have been so cute if they did the luggage tag in pink, either in the lighter pink, that would have been nice, or the hot pink fuchsia. And then you also have the strap keeper. And then let's open this up. And inside we have the same pink interior. You have the zip pocket right here. And there's the lock and key. And then the shoulder strap. So obviously this shoulder strap is adjustable. You have the little shoulder pad here. And that's pretty much it. You got the strap keeper. I'm so excited to use this. I am already planning on bringing this with me as my personal item. I've been watching all these videos, to see if this can be used as a personal item, and it really meets the limit for a lot of airlines. Also for this, I got another bag organizer from Bag & Sense. For the Keep All 45, I did get the thicker organizer. I went with the 2 millimeter, and I believe this color is the blush or also the soft pink. I went with the thicker, material because this is a bigger bag and it's, not structured. So I wanted it to, have a little more structure. This has 2 larger slip pockets on the one side. You have 3 slip pockets on the other side, and then that's it. So you have tons of room in here. That's what it looks like with the bag organizer inside. Again, it's almost a perfect match. This one maybe is a little warmer, but you know, whatever. You can't really tell. Most of the times with bag organizers, I usually just get a beige or even white, just to make it easier to see. So it's, you know, not a huge black hole. Then you have the Murakami stamp and all the icons on the made in stamp. This one was made in France. Hey guys, those are my 2 new pieces to my Cherry Blossom collection. I cannot wait to start using these. I think once the leather starts to darken and, you know, becomes softer with use, it will look so nice, especially with my matching Horizon 55. Look at the little cherry blossoms. Again, with this vachetta leather, when it's untreated and new, you know, it smells great, but I do like for it to be a little more worn and softer. It just has to age and patina a little bit more, and I think it will look so beautiful against the pink cherry blossoms. But those are my 2 new pieces. This is part 3 of my Cherry Blossom unboxing. Let me know what you guys think of this collection. I feel like it's a little divisive. A lot of people don't like the faces. I love them. Sometimes we need some whimsy in our life. Okay, that is my Cherry Blossom luggage collection with my Horizon, Keepall 45, and my new Speedy 25. Still have a couple more pending, and you know, I'll do another follow-up video, but this collection really surprised me. I did not think I would love it as much as I do, but there we go. Can't wait to start using my Cherry Blossom luggage. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.